Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and if you can't tell already by the title of this video, we're gonna make some DIY scrunchies, which I am wearing right now, and I have a whole bunch here because I kind of went on a craze after I made one and it turned out pretty damn well. So I went ahead and made a whole bunch more, and they are so easy to make. I'm gonna show you that in this tutorial, so I'm just gonna jump right into it and let's get started. To create your scrunchie, you're going to need some scrap fabric, a pair of scissors, some elastic band, a safety pin, a tape measure, some thread and needle, as well as a sewing machine if you have it. Start by measuring out your elastic band, and you might want to make this longer or shorter just depending on how thick your hair is, but I have somewhat of thinner hair, so I made my elastic around 22 centimeters. Then you want to fold your fabric in half and start measuring that out. My fabric was about 5 centimeters in thickness, and then for length I did around 45 centimeters. Once again, you might want to make this a little bit shorter or longer just depending on how thick or how thin your hair is. And you can either cut your fabric first or pin it down. I started pinning and then cut my fabric, and then take it to your sewing machine and sew it down, but make sure you have the fabric inside out. You can also do this by hand if you don't have a sewing machine. Once your fabric is sewn, flip it inside out, and this might take a little time. This is my least favorite part of this whole DIY. I just don't like flipping fabric, but it takes a little bit of time, but just keep pushing it in and pulling it out until you have it right side out? Yeah, right side out. Next, pin your safety pin to your elastic band and then feed it through your fabric. Make sure that you catch it on the other side and pin it together, or then quickly sew it by hand or using a sewing machine. I started using the sewing machine, as you can see here, but it really was easier doing it by hand just because the elastic band was so thin. Last but not least, fold in the raw edges of your fabric and then use a needle and thread and sew it by hand, sewing it together, and that's it. You have a new scrunchie, and I am off to make about 100 more of these in all different types of fabric. I hope you guys like that DIY for the scrunchies, as they are all the trend right now. I feel like everything from the 90s is coming back, which is amazing. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this DIY. And always make sure you are subscribed to my channel, as I'm back every week with more videos. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.